আসসালামু আলাইকুম এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক once again অ্যান্ড স্পোকেন ইংলিশের অন্য আরেকটি ভিডিওতে আপনাদেরকে স্বাগতম। আজকের লেসন থেকে আমরা শিখতে পারবো খুব ইন্টারেস্টিং একটি বিষয়, সেটা হচ্ছে যে কিভাবে আমরা একা একা মানে বাসায় কিংবা যেখানে থাকি না কেন উইদাউট পার্টনার ছাড়া কীভাবে আমরা স্পোকেন ইংলিশ প্র্যাকটিস করব সেইটা আমি দেখাতে যাচ্ছি। সো আজকের লেসন থেকে আমরা শিখব কীভাবে স্টেটমেন্টমূলক অর্থাৎ বিবৃতিমূলক বাক্য আপনি তৈরি করতে পারবেন, অর্থাৎ কীভাবে কোনো জিনিসকে বর্ণনা করা শিখবেন, সেটা তাও আবার একা একা। সো এটাই আমি দেখাতে যাচ্ছি। সো দেখুন কীভাবে আমি আসলে শুরু করি। এভাবে আপনারা যাদের পার্টনার নেই এভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করে কিন্তু ইংরেজি শিখতে পারেন। সো লেটস গেট স্টার্টেড আওয়ার মেইন লেসন। সো দেখুন আমি কীভাবে শুরু করি। So I'm on the rooftop. As you can see, I'm on the rooftop. So this is 6-story building in Gazipur at Tongi. And on the rooftop, I can see different kinds of trees, right? As you can see, if I show you, there are many kinds of trees, right? And I will try to show you particularly what kind of trees is this. I will show you one by one. So let's have a look. First one is what? This is tomato. So this is tomato. So let's move on to the next one. As you can see, this is one kind of medicinal plants, right? So dear learners, I see different kinds of trees, or you can say different kinds of plants. Among them, some of these are vegetables and some of these are medicinal plants. Medicinal plants means in Bangla, Oshudi gas. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. And this is one kind of vegetables. So like this is pumpkin, so this is vegetables, so this is pumpkin. And if I show you another vegetables, like this is brinjal, and I can say it's a eggplant, so you can say eggplant. And another one is, and this is very helpful, you know, this is one kind of plant, and this is, I believe that this is maybe lemon. As you can see, this is lemon, 2 lemons. Okay, so dear learners, so and I will show you another trees like this one, and this is another fruit trees, I believe that. And this is perhaps one kind of what? This is guava, right? So this is guava. And let's have a look another one, and as you can see, this is papaya, right? So this is papaya. Wow, it's almost ripe. If we want, we can have this one. Okay, so have means eat, right? So this is papaya, right? So, and this is also a vegetables, pumpkin trees. And as you can see, there are many kinds of top here on the rooftop. And I will show you another thing, and this is the time of sunset, right? So it's a beautiful afternoon. I am just enjoying myself. So as you can see, this is the time of sunset, though. So the sun is going down, or you can say the sun is setting, right? So, and I'm just walking on the rooftop. So dear learners, and if I show you the sky, as you can see, the sky is very supernatural, very crystal clear. So there is no any kind of cloud in the sky. So that's why there is no any scope, there is no any chance, there is no any possibility to rain, right? And I can say many kinds of kites are flying. So can you see? I don't know you are seeing or not, but many boys are flying their kite, right? Kite or kite. So once upon a time, I used to fly different kinds of kite, right? When I was the student of high school, at that time, I used to fly a lot of kites. Okay, this is Actually, this is the system of a village people or village boy that do. Okay, and just I'm going to show you very interesting thing. Before that, I will show you another fruit trees. Like this is what kind of trees is this? Please let me know in the comment section below. And now I'm telling this is banana trees, right? So this is banana trees. Okay. Oh, so and this is also a banana trees, and as you can see, and I will show you this is green chili. This is green chili, right? So there is no any green chili. Green chili means in Bangla kachamoris, right? And this is one kind of fruit, and this is mango tree, right? Hey, this is mango tree, and another one is this is very much interesting fruit trees, and this is what kind of fruit is this? Please let me show in the comment section below. And this is what? This is one kind of helicopter, right? Okay, so come to the point. And this is what? This is one kind of fruit, and it's maybe sobeda in Bangla, if I say sobeda, right? And I'm going to share you the real green chili. So this is real green chili, right? So how nice is this? Okay, so and as I told you some few minutes ago, that I would like to share my project actually, and this is what, and this is the system of solar. As you can see, this is a solar system that actually I have made for reducing my energy cost. Actually, that's why I made this one. That's why I have bought this such kind of solar panel. Actually, when I face any load shedding, at that time I can access from this solar panel, and actually it also helped me to reduce my energy cost. And if you want, you can set up this kind of solar system to reduce your, to save your energy cost. So dear learners, this is the way you can practice your spoken English. Actually, if you want to improve your spoken English alone, you can go through a calm and quiet place. At first, you will select a very calm and quiet place, actually where you are comfortable, where you will you can practice your spoken English without any hesitation, and then you will just express yourself without any hesitation. Whatever you want to say, whatever you want to do, just express yourself loudly. Keep it in your mind. Just try to express yourself loudly. Otherwise, you cannot able to improve your spoken English. So this is all for today, and no more today, and I will come up with a new lesson very soon. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.